YouTube, what's going on? So Review Kicks here, back with another video, another quick unboxing. Got a package in the mail today. Supreme, of course, last week's release. Let's get into it. Okay, as you see, opened it real quick. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. I just wanted to get a couple items from this last season, from this last week, should I say. I didn't really see anything that was worth me spending, hundreds of dollars on. Nothing caught my eye, honestly. These did catch my eye only because they just feel like, they're like an everyday use for me. Yeah, so here we have it. Let me get the other one out. Okay. Alright. Of course, comes with the paper, and I did take out the Supreme sticker, as you see. Got them laid out all over the table. There you have it. Supreme Sog MacV multi-tool in the red color, and I believe this color is gray, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, Stonewash. Okay. And the red is, of course, red. As you see here, item number SOGSM 1002 CP, and the Stonewash will be the same exact except 1003 CP. Yeah. And then the playing cards. Just been wanting them. I believe they're from the same people that make bicycle playing cards, to play poker and stuff like that. But I am not going to open these. I just wanted to grab a box of these bad boys just in case they ever run out. Nice little touch, nice little gimmick. Supreme hit on there, We'll talk about that in a second. All right, Supreme SOG. SOG stands for Studies and Observations Group. They are a knife, flashlight, hatchet. They make a bunch of stuff for professional use, outdoor use. Me being military, I am very familiar with their lines, and they have come out and collaborated with Supreme on a multi-tool, which is beautiful. Nice little touches on there, subtle hits. Just a small little box logo there. This one's kind of tough to see. Let me see if I could. There we go. Okay, down there. All right, it does say everyday carry on there. Back of the box. All right, here's the item number and all that information you need. This item is actually available without the Supreme branding on the SOG website. It's actually referred to as a MacV tool. It is actually a 12-in-1 multi-tool keychain. Okay, you could actually keep this around your keychain, keep it on a bag or whatever, keep it in a car. It's got a lot of uses. As you see, it's got a couple of them on here. I'll just read a couple. 1/4 inch wrench, 5/16 inch wrench, a 3/8 wrench, large flathead screwdriver, carbide sharpener, bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, 1/4 hex driver, nail puller, pry bar, small flathead screwdriver, cord cutter. Pretty neat. Alright, that's going to do it for the Supreme SOG MacV multi-tool. I decided to grab these. I'm not going to open them up or anything, just to have them. I kind of like to have items in their packaging, just to keep them as a collector's edition or something like that. So, yeah, that's that. And now we will get into the playing cards. I believe these are from the Bicycle Playing Card Company, also known as the US Playing Card Company. Okay. I just bought this just to have. Okay, it's nothing special. It is just a deck of cards with the Supreme branding on there. Nothing too crazy. I mean, I won't even open it. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, and just in case you wanted to buy it, it's what you'll get. They're fairly inexpensive. So I mean, if you wanted to buy it and open it, go for it. I just like to have small little things around, little collector's piece, you know. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next.